Today on Keep It Simple with Grandma, we're going to make Dorito Casserole. Here are the ingredients that we'll need. 1 pound of hamburger or chicken, 1 can of black beans, 1 can of rotel. I like it with the chilies in it. Any kind of diced tomatoes would be fine too, or even salsa. 1 can of cream of mushroom soup. If you're using chicken, you could change it to cream of chicken soup. You can also make it with no cream soups. And then 1 cup of sour cream, 1/2 onion that's diced, 10 ounces of corn, or if you want to use canned corn, 1 can drained, 1 packet of taco seasoning. I use the reduced sodium. If you are using a homemade, it would be about 2 tablespoons. And then about 2 cups of any sort of cheese, the Star, the Doritos. And then you crush the Doritos in the bag. So we'll need all of this for the casserole. So we'll go ahead and get started by browning our hamburger. If you're using chicken, just cook your chicken until it's completely done. I'll let this cook a couple minutes and then I'll add the onion. Okay, our hamburger is brown. And then I will drain off the grease and then we'll add all the ingredients together. Okay, so we'll put the other ingredients together, starting with the cream of mushroom and the sour cream. I'll just kind of mix those together. Then I'm going to add the taco seasoning. Then I'll add the rotel. I didn't drain the juice from it, and the black beans and the corn. Oops. All right, then I'm going to add the hamburger and onion. Once that's all incorporated, we will start layering our casserole together. I have a greased 9x13, and the first layer will be half of the Doritos. And then I'm going to plop this mixture in there. Next, we'll be putting the cheese on, and I happen to have a little bit of this Mexican cheese, so I'll use that first. I'm going to put about 2 cups. We'll top it with the remainder of the Doritos. Spread them out so it's even. It's ready to go into the oven for about 20 minutes. And our casserole is done. I'm pairing it with guacamole and refried beans. Just topped it with a little bit of lettuce, salsa, and sour cream. And it is delicious. Cream of mushroom. I got a little carried away when I was crushing and pour it. We'll cook this